Okay, so these are from Amazon, and I had to get the bigger bottle just because I like them so much. And it's a no wipe top coat, and so after you're done, you don't have to use alcohol to get the tacky layer off, and that's one of the reasons I really enjoy them. This is a smaller package that I got of both the base and the top coat, and I use them mostly up, but I just like them so much, so I want to show you what they came in. And they also have a lamp that comes with it, and I got this all off of Amazon, and it is just really cool.